As dawn breaks over the city, a new chapter begins. "2024 arrives, bringing with it a canvas of endless possibilities. Every sunrise is a symbol of rebirth, an invitation to pursue our deepest desires and turn them into realities. In these quiet moments of the morning, we find the courage to dream and the resolve to act. Welcome to a year of transformation. Across the city, from the quiet corners of a painter's studio to the energetic strides of a runner, goals are coming to life. Each goal, a personal beacon of hope and ambition, guiding us through the journey of life. These goals are more than just aspirations. They are the engines of change, the pulse of progress. Let's demystify the art of goal setting. It begins with SMART, a framework that shapes vague dreams into clear, attainable objectives. Specific goals carve out a clear path ahead, measurable so we can witness our progress, achievable, ensuring our targets are within reach, relevant, aligning with our deepest values, time-bound, giving us a deadline to work towards. This is how dreams take flight. Meet Sarah, whose ambition was to start her own business. Her journey began with a vision and a SMART plan. Sarah's path wasn't linear. It was filled with learning curves and milestones, each a step closer to her dream. Through persistence and well-defined goals, Sarah transformed her vision into a living, breathing reality. Every dream faces its trials. Sarah's journey was no exception. Balancing life's demands with her ambition tested her resolve. But with each challenge, Sarah's goals gave her direction, a reason to push through, to innovate, to grow. It's in overcoming these challenges that goals gain their true worth, transforming us in ways we never imagined. As we step into this new year, let your goals be your guide. They are the milestones that mark our path to achievement. Your journey, like Sarah's, is unique. Embrace it with goals that challenge, inspire, and transform you. Share your goals for 2024 with us. Together, let's build a year of extraordinary journeys and remarkable achievements. Thank you for watching. May your year be filled with growth, success, and happiness. Happy New Year from all of us at Inner Harmony Master Channel.